Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have asked about: passive income. We all dream of earning money while we sleep, right? Well, in this video, we're going to explore the top 5 passive income ideas that could help you do just that. 1. Real estate rental properties. One of the most classic and popular forms of passive income is investing in real estate rental properties. By purchasing a property and renting it out, you can generate a steady stream of income every month. Of course, there are some initial costs and responsibilities involved, like finding reliable tenants or hiring a property management company. However, once everything is set up, your rental property can become a reliable source of passive income. 2. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend stocks is another great way to earn passive income. Dividends are a portion of a company's earnings that are distributed to shareholders. By investing in dividend-paying companies, you can receive regular payments without needing to actively work for them. It's important to research and choose stable companies with a strong track record of paying dividends, as this will help ensure a consistent flow of passive income over time. 3. Create and sell online courses. In today's digital age, there's a huge demand for online education. If you possess expertise in a certain field, creating and selling online courses can be a lucrative passive income stream. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable allow you to easily create and market your courses to a wide audience. Once your course is created, it can generate income for months or even years, with minimal effort required to maintain it. 4. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms provide an opportunity for individuals to lend money to others in exchange for interest payments. This method allows you to act as a bank and earn interest on your loans. These platforms typically have a screening process to identify reliable borrowers, reducing the risk of default. While there is always some level of risk involved with lending, careful research and diversification can help mitigate potential losses, making peer-to-peer lending a viable option for passive income. 5. Create an e-commerce store and utilize dropshipping. With the rise of e-commerce, starting an online store has become increasingly accessible. By utilizing the dropshipping business model, you can create an online store without needing to keep physical inventory. Once an order is received, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer, eliminating the need for storage or shipping logistics. While building and marketing your store does require some upfront effort, once it's up and running, you can earn passive income from the sales generated. Remember, it's crucial to do thorough research and consider your own skills, interests, and resources before deciding which passive income idea suits you best. Each of these ideas has its unique advantages and potential risks, so take the time to evaluate what aligns with your goals and circumstances. Before we wrap up, I want to stress that passive income doesn't mean zero effort. It usually requires significant upfront work and ongoing management to maintain and grow your income streams. However, with the right strategy and dedication, passive income can offer you financial freedom and the opportunity to live life on your own terms. That's it for today's video. I hope these top 5 passive income ideas have sparked your inspiration. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more engaging videos like this. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.